Okay, this tutorial is to use the discussions boards within each class. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to your class page. You can either click here, choose your class, or you can come over to my school, choose my classes. And we're going to go to Computer 8. And then on the left over here, where it says Class Home, you're going to choose Comm Center, Discussions, and here's the discussion board for 8th grade computer. Click on there, and here's a topic. You can click in, and you can type your response, and that's it. So this is a way for you to communicate with the teacher. All right, thank you.